Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup with rotisserie chicken, updated. Start by gathering a rotisserie chicken, carrots, celery, onion, noodles, chicken stock, and herbs. I'll walk you through shredding the meat, building a flavorful stock from the carcass, and adding vegetables at the right times so they stay tender. You'll learn simple seasoning tips, noodle timing, and how to finish with fresh herbs for bright flavor. In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup with rotisserie chicken, updated. Begin by breaking down the rotisserie bird and setting the carcass into a pot with cold water, bay leaf, and peppercorns to simmer gently for a rich stock. Meanwhile, dice carrots, celery, and onion uniformly so they cook evenly. Save a portion of shredded chicken to fold in at the end, keeping some back to crisp or toast for garnish. In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup with rotisserie chicken, updated. I recommend cooking the noodles separately and adding them to each bowl to keep texture right, especially for leftovers. If you prefer them in the pot, add noodles in the last 6 to 8 minutes depending on type and test 1 minute early. Finish by stirring shredded chicken into the hot soup off the boil and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.